Time for another Dark of the Moon review. Dark of the Moon, Autobot Ratchet. I said Autobot Ratchet because for some reason on the packaging, quite frankly, they say Ratchet as Autobot Ratchet. I'm not quite sure what this is. Just do some but I'm thinking it might be like a military ambulance or something. Because quite frankly, Ratchet in a lot of series I've watched has been an ambulance because he's the medic of the group. So he goes around and fixes up the Autobots. And according to his bio on his card, even though he's fighting the Decepticons, he's always thinking of ways to fix them up too. Here's his mech tech weapon. A giant blaster that turns into a saw blade, which we'll see more later. Only place it plugs in is right here. The spare tire. That's the only place it plugs in vehicle mode. But it doesn't really matter because we're going to switch him into robot mode in a minute. Okay. We start you off by showing you here. Now, the stuff you do on both sides. There's going to be a lot of stuff you do on both sides, people. First of all, you pull this little bit out. Like that. And this one, the other one behind it. Then you come around back. Come around back. And you pop this up. Which allows you to move out his feet. That's what I like to do next. Now, how do I do this? Oh yeah, what I'm trying to do here, people. I had to do it off camera because this is very annoying. How hard this is. Was swim around his chest. So when I get him transformed up, his chest transformed up. It looks like that. And the spare tire just sits on the back there, and it's kind of just sitting there. It kind of just sits there, but there's a little bit below the back tire that folds up into his chest and robot mode. Or not, or into his back, yes. His chest. Did he just plug in? No. What I was thinking plugs in is his shoulders. No, you don't. Now, simple for his feet. Just swivel around the bottom part of his foot. Or his foot. His actual foot. Now, if I had something that could... Now, you may have noticed I never show these guys standing up. That's because I do this from my laptop. And I don't have anything that will reach the height of the camera. So that you can see it standing up. I may fix that later on because I'm moving down to the basement. It's ready. So I may fix that when I get down there, but for now, too bad. Okay. That's Ratchet robot mode. I don't think he has light piping. Oh wait, yeah, he does, but you can't. I've had trouble activating that before. I had to look up for a minute. Like, I don't think he has light piping, but no. He does, but I have trouble activating that. I don't have a flashlight with me. Charge batteries. As usual, you can hold the mech tech weapon in either hand, but I prefer holding it, having him hold it in the right hand because I'm right-handed. Okay, let's. Gimmick still works. Oops. Holds it very loosely in his hand, apparently. There's a nice little spinning gimmick. Before I go, because it's a rather short video, I have 2 more Dark of the Moons right now I can do. One of which I will show you right now. Another one, I don't feel like trying to go get it. Barricade, which I will do at some point soon. I'll take. I don't know. Trust's feet are annoying. You'll see why in the review. And Dark of the Moon Leader Class Sentinel Prime. Yeah, that's right. I said Leader Class. I expected Leader Class to be like $60, maybe more dollars. I got Sentinel Prime in Leader Class not only because I couldn't find the Voyager class, but because he was like 50. That's Canadian for anybody who cares. Which actually, last time I heard, which was a long time ago, is actually a little more than American dollars. So, that's all for today. Possibly. I'm going to do another video later. But that's all for this video.